I have some yawning babies. Are y'all so tired? Huh? What did you do? Look at that face. I am not kidding. He could be a movie star. That face. That face. Oh, they're just all so perfect, Dad. Look at her little crossed feet. And she does this little jumping around silly smile. She's so sleepy. She's so hilarious. My good man. Do you want to go get your treats? Do you want to go get your treats? And look who we have over here. And there's Brielle. She's got to get involved. Little blind dog. Look at her cross her little feet. Oh, they're gonna start roughhousing a little bit. They like to roughhouse in the bed. And I think our little Betsy Wetsy's ready to go to sleep. Are you ready to go to sleep, baby? Oh, you ready to go to sleep? Well, supposedly the air conditioner guy's supposed to come tomorrow morning. We'll see. So funny. Look at that. Look at those teeth. Ooh, she looks ferocious. You look ferocious. Bell. Well, I just come sit over here. What do you think about that, Brielle? Are they little rascals? Huh? Are they little rascals? Everybody's yawning. Y'all ready to go night-night and get your treats? Huh? He wants to get treats.
Right.
Dad, you want treats?
Mm-hmm.
Do you want a chew stick?
No.
I guess I can't say the word pizza. They love to go in the office, they get in their beds, get all under the covers. Yeah. Y'all ready to go night-night? Huh? Y'all ready? Y'all ready, my cute babies that I love so much? Y'all are my cute babies. Mama loves y'all. Okay, let's go. You ready? Let's go get in your bed. Come on, Betsy. Come on, let's go get our treats. Come on, babies. Come. They're gonna come in their little room. Betsy, come. Oh, here she is. They all know they're gonna come get their treats. Come get in their beds. Oh, I love these babies so much. But we've got more babies to save. Yes, we do. Look at that little rascal. She's so precious. What you doing? There's my girl. Look at that silly face. And here's another silly face. And there's the movie star. I'm telling you, this kid could be famous. He's got to have his own Instagram page. Sending love and hugs, y'all. Put our babies to sleep. They got their nice music on. Poor little Belle can barely keep her eyes open. Yeah. We're just going to get our treats. Y'all ready? Are you ready, my sweet girl? You're so sleepy, baby.